So the first thing you want to do is install the bushing kit on your implement. Right here we have a big tool rack that doesn't have a bushing kit on it, and I'll show you how that's done. So basically, you would pull the old clips off. These clips, I don't really like them, they break easy, but this will replace that. So basically, this bushing goes over here. You want to make sure you leave the fat part on the outside. There's a lot of adjustment here, so you can have it on the outside here, or you can push it in a little bit and have it here, and you can even adjust the pins in and out, so it will work. Now, you're gonna have these pins that you'll put through here. If you look at these pins closely, you'll see a bevel on one side. On that bevel, you will line it up and put it over here, and you'll hit it through with a hammer. You'll hit it all the way through, so it goes right through the hole. So like I said, you pick the spot you want, and then you hammer this through so it's flush. And I can show you on another implement over here that the pins are, these bushings are already installed. So you can see, you just hammer them right through, and that'll give you a nice solid connection. I'll show you when we hook the quick hitch on the tractor here, how that works and what it does to the connecting space here. So generally, it'd be a little easier if you had help to do this, but I'm gonna do it myself and show you how it is installed. So this pin comes out here. I just put this over here for now. I just put it on the tire, just makes it easier, so it's not on the ground. If you're doing it by yourself, then you put this pin here. And then you will take and lift it up and slide it over the hole here. So then you take this, it's very simple, it's just a little awkward. You slide that in, and then on the other side, you just put this pin in. It's that simple. Same thing over here. Like I said, it's a little difficult because I'm doing it by myself. But then you put this pin in. So if you have someone else to hold it, it makes it a lot easier. But once it's installed, you're good. Put that on there, that pin through, and then we need one more pin. The pin that comes with the top link adapter, which is here. You pull this out, put this here. It doesn't take long to install. It's very easy. Like I said, it's going to save you a ton of time. And that's it. So the quick hitch is installed. Now, people ask, what do I need this for? You don't need this for a big tool rack. You need this for other items like a snowblower or a brush hog, a finish mower. What you would do, what makes this unique is our top link pins on, the top hook pins on. No tools needed. Take it off. Put it up here. And you would put this on. So this would pin on here and give you some versatility for your more adjustment for your top hook. So you'd be able to hook a different implement that wasn't quick hitch compatible. So this will give you the ability to do that. 9 times out of 10, you won't use this. The big tool rack doesn't need it. So you wouldn't need it, but if you're running a different attachment implement, you may need it. So then you just put this back on. This is how you would run it most times. If you're running a big tool rack or even like a box blade or a York rake. And that's it. It's that simple. So most times it'll be set up like this. If you need to adjust it for an implement, it's very easy to adjust. And that's it. So it's very easy. And then when you go to hook up your implement, you just open these up. You'll notice this goes in, and that's it. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect. I've got a big tool rack here. If you look here, it's got the bushing kit already on it. And I'm going to hook it up. Right here, you can see, let's come over here and you can see how it lines up. You can see down below where that bushing lines up in there, and that's That's how we'll connect. I'm gonna pull it away a little bit so you can see again. I wanted to show you the difference with the bushing kits here. See that space? It takes up that whole space. When the bushing's on there, it's a nice secure connection. You could back up to it and connect, and you don't have to worry about breaking that little clip off I showed you on the regular pins. This will give you a nice, solid, secure connection. So I'm gonna hook it up right now. I'm gonna start the tractor up. I'm gonna hook it up and show you just how easy it is to hook up. Like I said, you don't even have to get off the seat of your tractor. Very easy. This is like a mobile workstation for the garage. Back up, hook up, drive away. That simple. Now normally I would open the back window and just reach around and push these down. It's the last thing you want to do to connect. And that's it. So that is a little video on the quick hitch. Now we have something else too. It is a quick hitch video. We're going to show our new skid steer quick hitch, which Vanessa, if you could show over there. Those are our new skid steer quick hitches. So now you'll be able to put a quick hitch on your loader for the people that have skid steers or skid steer front end loaders. This will allow you to connect the big tool rack and other implements on the front of your tractor. So it'll make it easy. So you can, if you have a backhoe or if you have a post hole digger or something on the back of your tractor, now you can put the big tool rack on the front or anything else on the front that is quick hitch compatible.